but I'm just going to leave it because we already have. The only thing you'd add is yeah, like enter, what was it? Like this. Boom. All right. Yeah, I'd rather just add it myself at the top of the page, because this is gonna, if I resize this, it's not too bad. I think we have, yeah, then you have all this space here. That would push this down too far. You want to have it above the fold so everybody can see it as soon as they hit the page. So I'm just going to get rid of this and save the web form. And we have to get rid of that arrow. Update the page. And there you go. Okay, you have your privacy policy here, terms of service, earnings disclaimer. But if you wanted to add something else, you can add the footer here. Yeah, it's got the arrow too. And remove that. Another thing you can do is just add it right below, like this. So you have your autoresponder form code, and then add a P, that's a paragraph tag, and then update. See what that looks like. Oh, we got to make that center. So say align equals center. This will accept any HTML code that you want. Okay, there you go. I think it looks better with the shadow and the rounded border. And on the background color, F7. If you use F and like F2, F3, F4, F5, any of those, it gets darker and darker as you go. So you got, there's F7, and then there should be different shades. There's F2, but I like F7. There's F5, and yeah, it looks better. And of course, if you don't want this warning above there, then you just take that text out. And it magically disappears. Okay, so now let me show you how to create a 2-column squeeze page. Alright, so let's go to Pages, Add New. And this one's going to be called How to Make Your First $1,000 in Line. This is one of my products. Alright, so what you want to do is add this as the title, and then add it here. We will center that, and then add the call to action text. And I always let them know, because if you're using a confirmed opt-in, especially, you want to tell them that you'll send it directly to their inbox. Okay, that is just a clue to them that they have to enter a real email address, or they just won't get it. So that's the way I set it up, and we're going to make this bold, and we'll make this Tahoma, and bold, and we'll make this 24 pixels. Okay, and then we'll publish the page. And view page. Oops. See, I forgot to select this template. 2-column squeeze page. Now, with the 2-column squeeze page, you're going to have to go like 800 pixels. Start that. Okay, so we can definitely go wider with the title. And now what we want to do is add an image here and the opt-in form here. And to do that, we need to go to Media, Add New. So we're going to upload an image. And we'll look at these as large icons. Okay, so what I want, I'm going to do the Your First 1,000 video. And this is 350 pixels. That's pretty good size. And just click Upload. Okay, now that you have the image, you want to click on this, and this will show you the URL. So you don't want to insert this into the post. Okay, you want to get the full URL on your server where it was uploaded to the content. Okay, you copy that, and we'll just get out of here and go back to Pages, and this is the free video. And then we'll paste it down here where it says image URL. Right, and this, I bet we can go with the 700 here on this one. Okay, so now we want an opt-in form. So we can change the submit button so it goes into the center. It'll look better. Save the web form. Oops. Okay, that looks better. And let's see, let's change the size to like 670. Okay, that's the width of the table. That brings in a little bit. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now, with the 2-column, you can also add one of the arrows here in a basic form. So let's go back to the form generator. We'll go to web forms. We'll try the basic form. It was in the popular. It was a basic form. So wide. Let's go name. Email. Oh, there's so much space there. Good enough. Okay, and 18 pics. Perfect. So save web form. Go to publish, install the form, get the snippet. And we have, oops, the form there. Update that. And let's just change this font color to black. And we'll make this red. I'll say reveals. add 4 arrows. And see what that looks like. Okay, so you can do this with any type of ebook, e-cover, and next I'm going to show you how to create, to add a video, and we're going to have to go a little bit wider on that. So then we'll have the video here and the opt-in form here. Alright, so I found a random video on YouTube when I typed in list building called How to Become a List Building Machine, and I'm going to use this as an example. Of course, you want to create your own videos, but we're going to use this and we're going to create a new page. And let's edit this so it's all caps there. Oops. Alright, so we'll take this, add it there, center it. Alright, and so for this one, let's go with impact. Okay, now you don't want to bold impact because that'll scrunch the words together and it makes it look bad, or the letters. So I just want to make this bigger. Okay, so that'll be above the video. And then we want to go to a Weber. I believe I already created a form for this. Yeah, list building machine. Alright, so we use one of these fancy ones. Enter your name and email to get the next video. So that's already done. I just have to get the snippet of code here. And you can use the full raw HTML if your autoresponder doesn't have the code snippets. Alright, add that here. Now the YouTube video. Okay, so if you made a video and you uploaded it, you'd want to click on share and then on embed, and you can pick from different sizes, and I believe this is 420 by 315, so we'll try that one and see how it looks. Okay, so we'll just start with the 700 and we'll round the border, add the shadow. Don't need the warning text. See what that looks like. Again, I forgot the template. Alright, so on this one you want the 2-column squeeze page. Okay, 2-column squeeze page. Update. And there it is. Alright, that's about perfect, huh? Okay, right height. So if this form was bigger or taller, then you could choose the taller video, but this looks pretty good. So now you have a tool that you can use to create good looking squeeze pages, so you have no excuse. Get out there, create some squeeze pages, do some ad swaps, build your list, and feel free to give this plugin to anyone you want. Share the love. I'm Derek Van Dyke, and I'll talk to you soon.